Hey guys, now I'm back for another video, and today it's a DIY video. So it's been a while that I haven't uploaded a DIY video. So to all my subscribers that waiting for my DIY video, so today I have one for you. And yes, so guys, this DIY video is how you're going to turn your top or dress. If you have like super long dress, you can cut them out. And then if you have like plain top and you want to design them, so I'm going to share with you guys my ideas of how I'm going to turn my super long dress to short, but I'm going to add a little bit of design to it. So yeah, so I have a super long black dress here. So this one is a very long dress. The brand of this one is Spray. That's the dress. So I'm going to cut some of the fabric because it's too long, and then I will add a tassel on the bottom. And also I have a plain t-shirt here. This one I got it from Kmart for $1. That's one. It's a plain t-shirt. And then I will do a tassel on the sleeves and on the hem part of this shirt. So this DIY video is not required in sewing or anything. All we need is scissors and our hand or fingers. So yes. So I will be right back guys, and I'll try on this dress, so that you can see how long this dress on me, and also I can, measure what length that I'm going to cut it off from this dress. So now I'm back with my dress on. So this dress right here is a maxi dress, and it's super long on me. So that's what it looks like. So it's very long. You can see later guys how I'm going to turn this dress into a tassel bottom dress. So yeah, and then I'm going to try on this white top so that you can see how this top turns out. I'll turn this top from boring top to an extraordinary top. So yes, so now I have my white top on. So this is just a plain boring kind of top. Then I will transform this top into a nice tassel top on sleeve and on this part right here on the hem part. So yes. that's it for my no-sew dress on top DIY tassel video, and hope you enjoyed this kind of video, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again next time right here on my channel. Bye guys! Mwah.